Hi dear friends, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Margarita and I'm jewelry designer with more than 7 years of experience. My journey started as a makeup artist and stylist. Then I used to work in the hairdressing, attended Patrick Cameron courses that gave me a knowledge of different updos. In the meantime, I have started to create simple jewelry and spend days and nights on YouTube watching educational videos. When I understood that all my thoughts are in beads and crystals, I started to attend different offline and online courses. Every day I was all around beads, seed beads, crystals and dedication, day by day, month by month, year by year. It is important to understand what particular person needs. As all people are different and unique, you always should imagine the person to whom you create this specific piece. To create something for a particular person, I always try to understand her values, character, style, what she likes, what she don't. And only after understanding the small parts of her life, I create personalized jewelry. If it is something I create without knowing who will wear it, I try to imagine the perfect person who will like this piece and who will wear it. I took knowledges from the best teachers around the world, and now I want to share with you my own vision of jewelry world. Join me on my courses and avoid unnecessary mistakes, waste of time, money and materials. Try new hobbies, new knowledges, new sides of our beautiful world. Invest in yourself, as the best investment you can do is investing in yourself and bright future.